Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 26, 2024. 4 star Sudoku. Column D, column E, we have pair numbers 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Fourth row and fifth row, column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Fifth row and sixth row, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. First row and fourth grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 7th grade, column F, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column G, column I, we have 7. First row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. First row and second row we have 7. Column C also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. First grade, column C, we have 2 and 6. Also column D, column E, we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H, column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column G, column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. First row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. It will come in one of these cells. 7th row and 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 9th grade, only 1 number remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4th row and 5th row, we have 6. Column I also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column A, column B, we have 6. 7th row and 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Six is confirmed here. First row and second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Second grade, and fifth row we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th grade. 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 9th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8. Column A we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column A we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column A we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G and 9th grade, only one number remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column A we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 8th row and 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column C we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then in column A, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 9. 6th row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 1st grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 9. It will come in one of these cells. 3rd row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 1st grade and column C, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 9. 5th row and 1st row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 2nd row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 3rd grade and 1st row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 4th row and 5th row we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E we have 8. So 8 can't come this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 5th grade and column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column D and 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Fourth grade. And column A, only one number is remaining. 3 is confirmed here. Column H, fourth row, only one number is remaining. 5 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.